Hey guys, good morning. Just a quick video on this new machine. This is our flagship 6x6 universal one. This one is actually shipping this afternoon to southern France for the first customer. We recently developed this one based on our Meheen killer, we call it. It looks a little bit like a Meheen, of course, with a loader of the crowns, etc. But we managed to make this one universal, and that's quite special. So we have the same one running in our factory. We also have a brewery. I don't know if you know that, but we have a brewery and we build machines. So in our own brewery, we have the predecessor of this machine running for a year. We filled around 80 to 100,000 liters with it, and this one is the production model. And let me show you some features that we integrated in this new model. As you can see, we have dividers. These ones are made to get the bottle in the center of the filling head. So you can take these off. Now they are locked. You can take these off and then place the big bottle. So now it's made for a small bottle. We can change this to the size that you desire. So this one is made for standard long necks, Apo Finchi, but we can make it a little bit bigger or smaller, so it fits all bottles from the big 0.75 to the smallest is around 0.25. And just by adding or taking off these center pieces, dividers, you can change the machine from a big bottle to a small bottle. Now it's configured for the small bottle. This is how we deliver it. Of course, we have the touchscreen. This is all the same that we had in the previous models. It has the new crown loader. So you put the crowns in the bin over here. They're loaded automatically into the chute. There are 6 of them. And what we changed in this model compared to the other one is that we have some kind of wheel that turns around with a stepper motor that feeds the crowns into the chute. So with this system, we know 100% sure that there is actually a crown in your capping head. So if there's no crown, it will stop and it will show you on the display there's no crown. Also, we have the new info light system, which shows you if there's an error, if the machine is running correctly. So if you have this running and you see it remotely, you can see what the status is. Let me take you to the back of the machine. So this is the entrance point of the machine. There's a conveyor, always a conveyor mounted to the machine. We can hook up a rinser, an automatic rinser that cleans the bottles inside. We can hook up a depalletizer or a combination of it. You can also take your own labeling system and hook it up over here. But this is where the bottles come in. And the special thing about it is that we can load bottles one by one, so they don't have to be in a tray or something. With our other universal machines, the bottles are in a tray. With this machine, you can just have the bottles next to each other. Let me show you. One by one. And there are small pins inside the machine that extract when a bottle is sensed. Now all the bottles are loaded. This one stops, so it waits for new bottles. And now they wait until they are pressed with the move piston and pushed inside the machine. So you can do this with every type of bottle, small and big. Let me show you at the back how this works. We took off the plexiglass, so normally here's plexiglass just for testing purposes. So there's 5 sensors for each bottle, and when a bottle travels through the infrared sensor, a little pin extracts, and this is how we divide the bottles. And rebuilding the machine from small bottles to big bottles is just adjusting this one a little bit further or back, so depending on the width of the bottle. And on the side, you can see it over here. You have to undo these bolts and take the filling heads from one position to the other one. As a standard, this machine is equipped with big wheels, so you can move it around, share it with another brewery. And of course, there's height adjustment. So when you fix it inside your brewery, you take the wheels off the floor and put it on a level. so it levels with the conveyor belt. As a standard, this machine has a bottle sensing plate. So there's two plates with tempered holes, which the bottle is placed, hold in place. So this will make sure that when there's a difference in bottle sizes, it's always centered for the capping heads and filling heads. Let me demonstrate it. So we put in new bottles. You can see that there's a perfect alignment for the filling heads and for the capping heads. As a standard, this machine is equipped with all the features that we have, so including fast flush. This is our fast flush system, so we can flush out bottles really fast with CO2, with high pressure CO2. So you can do a pre-purge, we can even do a pre-evac, so we can vacuum the whole bottle. And with this system you can assure that there's perfect foam, cap on foam each time. And capping, the time between filling and capping is only 1.5 seconds. So when the filling head goes up, you get a little bit of foam and then bang, the crown is put on the bottle.